Welcome to the lullaby. Let's begin with today's story. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Let your body settle. Rain is falling on the ocean. Night rain. Gentle rain. Not a storm. Just steady soft rain falling from dark clouds. Meeting the dark water. Two forms of water becoming one. You're sheltered, standing under a covered pier. Or a beach pavilion, safe from the rain. Dry, but close enough to hear everything. Close enough to see the rain falling. Close enough to feel the cool air. The fresh smell. The peaceful energy of water falling from sky to sea. The sound is layered. Multiple rhythms. Multiple textures. Rain hitting the roof above you. Patter, patter, patter. Constant. Steady. Like fingers drumming. Like a heartbeat. Rain on the wooden deck around you. Different sound. Deeper. Softer. Rain on the beach. Almost silent. The sand absorbing it. Drinking it. Welcoming it. And the rain hitting the ocean. That's the sound that fills everything. That rushing whisper. That endless hiss. Millions of drops. Billions of drops. All landing on the water's surface. Each one creating a tiny ring. Tiny ripple. Overlapping. Endless. The ocean receiving the rain. Taking it in. Adding it to itself. The night is completely dark. No moon. No stars. Just clouds and rain in the black ocean. But you can see the rain. Illuminated by a single light. A pier lamp maybe. Or moonlight breaking through for just a moment. You can see the drops. Like silver streaks. Falling. Endless. Beautiful. The ocean is calm beneath the rain. No big waves. Just small swells. Gentle motion. The rain is texturing the surface. Creating patterns. Rings within rings. Ripples overlapping. The whole surface alive. Dancing. Moving. Accepting the rain's touch. Your breath matches the rhythm without trying. In with the sound of rain. Out with the ocean's response. Both are constant. Both are endless. Both are perfectly peaceful. Your breathing becoming part of the pattern. Part of the rain's rhythm. Part of the ocean's acceptance. The temperature is perfect. That cool freshness that comes with rain. Clean air. Washed air. Everything renewed. Everything clean. The rain doing its work of washing. Refreshing. Making new. Listen to the different sounds. The rain on the roof. Fastest rhythm. Most percussive. The rain on the deck. Slower. Deeper. The rain on the sand. Softest. Almost felt more than heard. And the rain on the ocean. The sound that surrounds everything. The bass note. The foundation. All other sounds sitting on top of it. This is nature's symphony. No instruments needed. Just water in different forms. Just rain and ocean and the surfaces they touch. Creating music. Creating rhythm. Creating peace. Your shoulders drop. Your jaw loosens. Your whole body responds to this sound. To this rhythm. Rain makes people relax. Makes them want to sleep. Something in us knows this sound. Knows it means safety. Means shelter. Means rest. The rain continues. Steady. Unchanging. This is the kind of rain that could last all night. That could fall for hours. No end in sight. No change coming. Just this. Just rain meeting sea. Just water returning to water. Just the cycle completing itself. Imagine each raindrop's journey. Starting high in the clouds. Miles above. Condensing. Growing heavy. Falling. Accelerating. Moving faster. Then impact. Meeting the ocean surface. Becoming part of the sea. The journey complete. The cycle ready to begin again. Evaporation. Cloud. Rain. Ocean. Forever. Your thoughts are like rain now. Coming. Landing. Disappearing into the ocean of sleep. Each thought just a drop. Each one absorbed. Each one gone. making room for the next. Until there are fewer thoughts. Until there's just the sound. Just the rain. Just the peace. The darkness is complete. Comforting. Safe darkness. The kind that invites sleep. That welcomes rest. You can barely see anything beyond the light. Beyond the rain. Just darkness. Just the sound of water meeting water. Endless. Soothing. Perfect. Let yourself become like the ocean. Accepting. Receiving. Taking in the rain of thoughts. Of the day. Of everything. And absorbing it all. Making it part of you. Then letting it settle. Letting it calm. Letting it rest. Your breath is so slow now. So quiet. Barely disturbing the air. Like the gentlest rain. Like the smallest drops. Just present. Just there. Just breathing. The rain doing the work. Your body just resting. The rain will continue all night. Long after you're asleep. Long after you've stopped listening. It will keep falling. Keep meeting the ocean. Keep creating this sound. This rhythm. This peace. And you will sleep through it. Held by the sound. Carried by the rhythm. Safe in the shelter while the rain falls outside. Rest now. Let the rain fill everything. Let the sound surround you. Let the ocean accept you. Rain falling. Ocean receiving. You sleeping. Deep. Safe. Rain blessed. Rest.